You get a request from a new customer for a quote for some small item. Is it worth your time to put together a BP for a quote? For us, there's another solution, a quick quote. Quick quotes use a place marker business partner to skip the entry of a customer. Let's add a quote and convert it to a sale. So let's say Leilani, the general manager from the Huli Pizza Company's new Indianapolis store, wants a quote for a single white tablet to test their new order system. She calls up OEC Computers to get a quote on a single tablet. So let's open up a sales quote in SAP Biz.One. So we're going to sales quotation. In the company name, I'll hit the circle, and I'll find Huli Pizza Company, and I'll see here that Huli Pizza Company's got a Chicago and a Honolulu store, but not the Indy store. Since there's no existing business partner, I'm going to clear the files and close this up. In name, I'm going to put in quick, and you'll see that I get a quick quote, and I'm going to use the quick quote. I'll use the reference field to put the identifying information, and so here I'm going to put in Huli Pizza Company, Indy, and then I'm going to add the item of Z0002. So I'm going to go down here to item. I can take a Z, and there's my tablet, so I can click on that. And that's all I need to do here in case I need to check anything else and add any remarks, for example. So I may put in here, see Leilani. So next we'll send a confirmation and go ahead and click the mailer. And yes, I want to add an edited report. Type in a subject here. Now on a quick quote, we'll have to set this specifically for what a specific email address would be. So I don't have one in this demo, so we're going to just leave it the way it is for now. And then underneath it here, I'm going to put whatever message I want to send to Leilani. And once I do that, I can go ahead and send it. And we're all good to go. I can now close this up. Finally, add the quote. Leilani likes the price and wants to order. So you're going to go back into sales quotation, and I'll go into find this time. And under name, I'm going to type quick, and we'll see which orders we have available. And whatever the last one is probably ours. And we can take a look at it, see if there's anything else interesting here about it. And there's the remarks about Leilani. So I can now take this one and choose it. Go back up here, and now we have that sales quotation. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the screen here and go to copy to. And you'll see down there, it can now copy this into other documents. And I'm going to pick the sales order because I'm going to actually do a sales order. And we're set to go here. Now, it says here for the customer, I've got a quick quote. I can change that. So I'm going to hit the circle. And instead of hitting one of these, I'm going to go ahead and hit new and add in Huli Pizza Company, Indianapolis. And then I can put whatever else information is I need in here. But for now, I'm just going to do that and go ahead and add that in. And go yes. All right, and so now our sales order has the correct name. If we have other customer reference number information we need to put in there, we can put in there. I'll need a delivery date, of course, which I'll set it for a couple days. And we can do whatever else we need to do with this order, put in freight, etc., put any more remarks in we need, or go ahead and just add it. You've added a quick quote and then converted it to an order. This will save you a lot of time on small order quotes. Now, in our example, this was a big ticket item and was actually a branch of a bigger customer. You might want to check with sales if you see a $500 item or greater like this one come through your email before processing.